So it occurred to me that when I made that jump start box there, I never really showed it jump started anything, and well, today's a good day for that because this turd, if you let it sit for a couple days, the battery's, it's got a dead draw on it, basically what I'm saying. And it's got a commercial battery in it, and it's, I don't know, 6 months old. Well, this is 7/23, so it's older than I thought it was. But anyway, it's got a dead draw on it, and it's had it for ever. You let it sit for 2 or 3 days, it was dead. I'll show you. Don't mind the mess. I'll work out of this thing. Kinda. There's some shit in here. Just come a storage lot. Oh, dead. Deader than shit. Okay. So, this did. Let's hook this jobber up and do some jump starting, shall we? If you haven't done it yet, why don't you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, or share this, or comment on it, or tell me my truck sucks, or tell me this contraption looks like ass, because it does. I haven't cleaned up the wiring yet. I'm going to do that one day. Probably not. Let's see. This thing, for some reason, only likes to start when it's wide open. I don't know why. It's the way it is. Predator, you know. Lost the key. Look at that. See that? That's how I lost my S10 keys before. I think I can stop using them, but you know. Oh yeah, here pulling down. See the charge meter's up. What? That thing's a hit. Yeah. Shut this thing down now. Let's pull a little bit of juice on it. It's kind of crazy. I wonder why I did that. What the hell was that noise? Oh, that pulley's loose. Damn sure is. I'll fix that. Huh. Yeah, that pulley's loose as shit. I think. Yeah. It's walking. Oh, now is it loose? No, maybe not. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that pulley's loose. I lost one of my Allen keys. No biggie. No biggie. I can fix that. That ain't no big deal. Oh, that kind of sucks. It must have just came out too. You see, I don't know if you can see it or not. I had 2 set screws in it. One of them goes where that keyway is, and it's not in there now. It kind of popped out. Might have broke the damn thing off. The other one should have been here somewhere. Interesting. That's interesting. It's been in there for a while because I've used this thing for other stuff. You see how good it fired that truck up there? I mean, that thing fired up good. They probably slung that damn set screw out. It's probably in the next county by now. That's right, the truck's running. I mean, it fired up like it was nothing. Yeah, that pulley's a lot of whack now. I still call it a win. With that being said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That would be phenomenal. And until next time, hey, stay true to yourself. See you.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know all